Compared to an apex predator, a human being is biologically vulnerable. We lack heavy armor, fangs, thick skulls, and our bare hands are soft. Standard definitions describe a tool as a static object, an item that sits in a toolbox until it is needed. Motion theory suggests a different perspective. A tool is a motion translator. It captures the kinetic energy generated inside your body and routes it into the environment through a specific geometric path. As we zoom in on the joint and the muscle, we see the built-in motion engine. Your muscles already generate pull. Your joints already define arcs and pivots. Tools step in to make those existing physical systems smarter. Our survival on this planet relied on figuring out how to push our kinetic energy outside our biological borders to reorganize our physical limits. This diagram shows what happens when you introduce the simplest geometric upgrade, a stick. The same shoulder rotation and wrist flick you already possess now acts much farther from your body. The stick multiplies the arc, allowing the far end to move faster and strike harder than an empty hand. Change that geometry to the sweeping arc of a stone hammer, and the tool acts as a momentum concentrator. Broad energy vectors converge into a single, dense impact dot. When that localized strike hits, the target material cannot cleanly distribute the energy. The structure fails, and it fractures. Knives and wedges apply the same physical logic. They take broad incoming pressure from an arm and corner it into an edge so narrow that resistant matter is forced to separate. None of these devices create power from nothing. They reorganize existing motion into effective new geometries. To see how we negotiate with physics, look at this schematic of a simple lever. By pushing down on a long distance with a small amount of effort, you trade that sweeping motion path for a short, heavy upward lift. You are bartering distance for localized output pressure. Watch how that negotiation evolves when dragging a block turns into a rolling wheel. The friction of scraping a heavy load across the ground becomes rolling resistance. We negotiate away sliding friction, trading it for the ability to move mass across long distances. As the wheel becomes interlocking gears, the math becomes programmable. A large gear driving a small gear negotiates speed for torque. A screw does something similar, converting a gentle rotational input from a wrist into a locked physical grip. But the universe always collects attacks. No device redirects kinetic energy perfectly. Every mechanical transfer leaks some structured motion into chaotic thermal jitter, sound, vibration, and surface wear. This is the friction tax. Human engineering is a series of calculated physical negotiations. We gain targeted mechanical advantages by accepting localized energy loss. A well-designed tool acts as a compatibility bridge. It matches the geometry of the hand on one end and connects to the environment on the other without leaking energy. This animated diagram maps the human nervous system to show what happens when that connection becomes seamless. As you achieve mastery with a tool, the brain stops modeling it as a foreign object. The neural prediction grid extends down the arm and outward, mapping the shape of the hammer as a temporary body part. When that grid shifts to a steering wheel and expands into the chassis, we see proprioception in practice. It is why a carpenter feels a nail through the head of a hammer, and why a driver feels the tires gripping the pavement through the vehicle's frame. This neurological extension is the foundation for more complex systems. A machine is essentially a stack of these motion translators working in sequence. Levers, gears, and screws combine to handle more resistance than a single tool could. Inside a vehicle engine, a chain reaction translates chemical heat into expanding gas. That gas drives a piston. The piston travel becomes gear torque, and that torque becomes wheel traction against the road. Instead of waiting millions of years to grow thicker claws or longer legs, we bypassed the pace of genetic evolution. We built our physical upgrades externally. A telescope is a boosted eye. A hammer is an engineered fist. This is outsourced anatomy, a way for human capability to improve faster than biology allows.